Hey traders, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. In this video, I want to give you my 5 seconds outlook on the SPX, and then I want to focus on the natural gas and what's likely the most play for the DGAZ and UGAZ. If you trade natural gas commodities, this video can be helpful for you in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So first of all, we need to talk about SPX. SPX, we closed really strong. It's the past 2 days of sell-off is just a consolidation, and then we failed to break below 2680, and then we held above 2700 2 days in a row. So on next week, we could have a slow moving red day on Monday, but the rest of the week is bullish. We're going to retest 2740 and eventually hit 2800 in 2 to 3 weeks if we hold the support, and I'll give you guys an update on that. But first of all, something very interesting on natural gas I found out. So right, natural gas closed at 2.617. This candle was bullish. I want to show you guys in the past few, also 2 years, and then looking at where it's at. So when natural gas has a sell-off towards this level, which is this is not an accurate, it's just an estimate of the line I drew. So it looks like a 2.5, 2.52, 2.5, 2.52, 2.3 is the support for 2016 November, 2017 February, 2017 December, 2018 February, and then on to 2019 February. And remember I said February 1, 2, 3 times. If you look at back here, 2016 August, so bounce at the 2.5, 2.52 level, and then when they bounce, let's go back to 2016 December, 2016 sorry, November. So this is the candle we see very similar to what is now, and then we have a bullish candle. But the next 2 days we had a sell-off, but then it didn't break the 2.5, 2.6 level. So, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So about almost a week, and then natural gas broke to the upside. But remember, this is in November. So let's look at February. We had a major sell-off towards the downside, and it didn't break. And then we had a 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and then I'm pretty sure this is the weekend, and then boom, we gapped up when the Sunday opens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, about a week trending up for natural gas, and this is at the end of February. So as for now, beginning of the February we had a sell-off. So take that into consideration, that a sell-off this year occurred early in the late January and early February. So let's take a look at the next one. We've been taking a look at when the next one hit. Also, this is in December, it hit in January bounce. Can't really look at that because that's the winter time. So let's go look at February here. Major sell-off in the first week of February, and then we try to consolidate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost a week, and then after 3 days we start bouncing off towards the half point, and then consider sell-off. I think this thing right here is going to happen. And let's take a look at where we are now. Major sell-off, first green candle. So it's going to consolidate, moving around here for just a bit. I'm going to say next 3 to 4 or even 3 days, 2 to 4 days. And then in 2 weeks from now, we're going to come back to 50% of the time. Where is that this major sell-off? By using my eyes looking at it, I'm sure you can see it too. It's around the 2.85, or to fill the gap here at 3. I don't think it can go back all the way to 3.3. So for natural gas, it's going to consolidate right in here a little bit more, and then we'll have something like this, and then something like this, and then we'll have eventually fill this little gap right here. Okay, it's not a gap, just looking at like the major sell-off, it's gonna come back like right here. See, come back like this one, inverse, come back. So right here it's gonna come back and then tank again. So 3.00 is my highest target. I was short DGAZ. I'm sorry, not short. I was short natural gas at this point, and then how do I do that? Get into DGAZ. I'm not gonna touch UGAZ as for now, even though it can go up, but the chances, the correct play is to buy DGAZ. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.